In this video I'm gonna try to repair this tire. What's unusual is it goes flat in 15 minutes or maybe even less. So I'll take the tire out, or I'll take the wheel with tire out and try to fix it. Size is 19mm. What's really strange is I don't see any holes, nails or anything. So I'll add air and try to find where it's leaking from. Tire shop is about 5 minutes from here, so I'm gonna patch it up and drive very slowly to the place to get the tire inspected to see if repair is good enough or if I need to replace the tire. Start by using this to make the hole bigger. Now I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna try to push this in. I'll leave about this much out. It's gonna be tough. Now I'm gonna quickly pull out. Now I'm gonna add air to the tire, and rear Subaru needs 30 psi. Using small knife, I'll cut the excess. Now I'm gonna install wheel back on the car and I'll check pressure later, make sure it's not leaking, and get it inspected by tire professionals. Always start by hand tightening those lug nuts to avoid cross-threading. And torque specs here is 90 foot-pounds. Have this extension so that I don't have to use torque wrench. So puncture is way too close to the edge, generally speaking. If it's here or closer to the edge, same on the other side, you cannot repair it, you'll have to change the tire. Mine was approximately here. I fixed it about a week ago and so far still no leaks, but it's not safe to drive. I would never drive with this kind of repair on highway or for long distance, but I would drive to a tire center and get tires switched out if it's about 5 to 10 minute drive at fairly low speeds. Now you could use the same repair I did, but towards the center, and you should be fine. Here, if you want to do the same repair, like I say, just do it for temporary, just to get to the tire center. I'll leave Amazon affiliate link to the repair kit I used. Let me know if you have any questions. I reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.